This recipe left everyone impressed. Simple, delicious, and perfect to make anytime. Let's start our recipe by adding 4 eggs into a bowl. Season with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and 30 milliliters of milk. Now it's time to whisk everything very well. With the mixture well beaten, add half a chopped onion and chopped parsley to taste. Mix everything again so the ingredients are well combined. In a skillet, add a tablespoon of butter and let it melt completely. When it's nice and hot, place 4 slices of bread in the skillet and toast until golden and crispy. Here, I'm toasting 2 slices at a time. Look how delicious they're turning out. Now chop the green onions into very small pieces, perfect for adding an irresistible aroma to the dish. Then, slice the tomato into evenly sized rounds, ready to enhance the recipe. These ingredients will give our sandwich a special touch, adding color and freshness. Now, in another skillet, add another tablespoon of butter. As soon as the butter melts and spreads that delightful aroma through the kitchen, pour in the seasoned egg mixture. As the eggs begin to set, place 2 toasted slices of bread on top of the mixture. Let it cook until the omelet base is firm enough to flip. On the underside of the omelet, use a brush to spread a thin layer of ketchup. This touch of sweet and tangy flavor will make all the difference. Next, add 2 slices of mozzarella cheese on top. The cheese will melt, becoming irresistibly creamy. Then, arrange the tomato slices over the cheese and finish with a sprinkle of chopped parsley. This combination is perfect for making the sandwich even tastier and full of textures. Now, it's time to complete the dish. Add the other slices of toasted bread on top of the omelet and carefully fold or cut the omelet in the center, creating 2 incredible sandwiches. The mix of flavors and textures will surprise you and anyone who tries it. And it's ready! Serve the sandwiches warm and enjoy this delight. This recipe is perfect for a hearty breakfast, a quick lunch, or even an easy dinner. Don't forget to tell me in the comments what you think of this recipe and who you'd like to share it with. Bon appétit, and see you at the next delicious recipe.